Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut stickers with Cricut Explore 3 cutting machine. But before we jump into making these awesome stickers, let's quickly go over what we are going to need for this project. You'll need a Cricut Smart cutting machine, but make sure it's print then cut compatible, which includes machines like Cricut Joy Extra, any Explore models, any Maker model, or the Cricut Venture. However, the regular Cricut Joy won't work for this. Apart from that, you'll need a fine point blade and housing, a Cricut Light Grip cutting mat, Design Space software on your computer, an inkjet home printer. This is important, along with some compatible Cricut printable print sticker material. You can also grab a brayer if you want. It helps smooth your material onto the mat. Alright, now let's get started with the actual design. First, you need to open your Cricut Design Space. Once you're in there, go to Images tab in the left panel. Then, in the search bar, just type in the kind of stickers you're looking for and hit enter on your keyboard. After that, you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Just pick a sticker design that you like. Once you've added your sticker to the canvas, open the Operation drop-down menu and make sure the Print Then Cut is selected. OK, once that's done, you need to click the Create Sticker drop-down menu. From there, you'll see two options, Die Cut or Kiss Cut. For this project, I'm going to select Die Cut. After that, a new option will pop up. Here, I'll open the Border drop-down menu and select Thin. Of course, you can pick any border you like. It's totally up to you. Now, once you've selected your border, change the color if you want, but I'm just going to keep mine white for a clean look. Alright, once everything looks good, just go ahead and hit that apply button. Now, let's move on to the next part. Return to the left panel and select Shapes. After that, grab a square shape and resize it however you want and change the color if you wish. Once you've done that, right-click on the square and select Send Backward. This just makes your sticker sit up top on the background. Now, click on the sticker and drag it over the square shape while holding down the left mouse button. If you want to create multiple stickers, you can simply copy and paste as many times as needed. Once you've arranged all stickers as you like, select all the stickers included the square shape in the background, then click on Attach in the bottom right corner. Finally, you're ready to make this happen. Just hit the Make button in the upper right corner. OK, now you'll see a Prepare screen pop up. Just hit the Continue button to move forward. On the next screen, you'll see an option that says Send to Printer. Click on that and Print Setup window will appear. Now, make sure your printer is connected to your computer. Also, double check that the Add Bleed option is enabled. This just helps make sure your design prints completely. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Print button. Then, one final window will show up so you can verify the print quality in the preview. If you're happy with how it looks, just click on Done to proceed. Now, all you have to do is wait for the printer to print your sticker on the printable paper. Just give it a minute or two. Alright, once your stickers are printed, return to the Design Space. You'll need to select Browse All Material and then click on Compatible tab and choose Printable Sticker Paper White material. Next up, make sure your fine point blade and housing are inserted into Cricut machine. OK, now grab your printed paper and carefully place it over the Cricut Light Grip cutting mat. Make sure the upper left corner of the printed paper lines up with the mat border for utmost accuracy. Then, just place the mat and press the flashing load button onto the Cricut. Now, just sit back and wait while the machine does its thing and cuts out your stickers. And once the cutting is done, boom, your stickers are ready to use. You can peel them off, stick them wherever you want, and enjoy your custom-made creation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.